Running out of storage or tired of slow transfer speeds? Whether you're a photographer, gamer, or just need reliable storage for your devices, the right SD card is a must. In this video, we're showcasing the top 5 best SD memory cards on AliExpress chosen for their speed, capacity, durability, and overall value. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Number 5. Lemiwei SD Memory Card. Capturing memories or transferring essential data requires reliability, and that's exactly what this compact yet efficient SD memory card delivers. Designed for users who prioritize dependable storage over flashy features, it offers a practical and streamlined solution for photographers, hobbyists, and tech enthusiasts alike. Whether you're storing snapshots from a digital camera or transferring media files across devices, the speed and stability of this card make it a suitable choice for everyday use. With read and write capabilities optimized for consistent performance, it ensures that your files are saved quickly and securely, no frustrating lag, no corrupted files. Available in multiple capacities ranging from 128 MB up to 2 GB, it suits a wide range of storage needs, from lightweight documents to a substantial collection of images and short video clips. It adheres to the C10 class level and UHSIU1 standard, providing stable performance for HD video recording and smooth data transfer without the premium cost of high-end models. The V6 Video Speed class offers enough bandwidth for standard definition video capture, making it ideal for older camera models or secondary devices that still require reliable SD card support. Crafted with attention to durability and built by a brand known for accessible, functional storage, this card is also backed by a quality package from Lemiwei, a growing name in digital accessories originating from mainland China. Although it doesn't offer advanced application performance classes or ultra-high-speed streaming features, it excels in its core purpose, storing and transferring files without complication. Simple, effective, and affordable, it represents value over hype, especially for users with basic storage requirements or legacy hardware compatibility. Reliable everyday storage, budget-friendly pricing, and solid compatibility make this SD card a smart pick for those who value performance without excess. Number 4. SanDisk SD Memory Card. Enjoy more freedom to capture, store, and share your favorite moments with a memory card that's built to handle it all: photos, videos, apps, and more. This high-performance microSD card from a trusted brand offers an ideal solution for Android smartphones and tablets, with enhanced speed and storage that can keep up with your lifestyle. Whether you're shooting full HD video, downloading large files, or running storage-heavy apps, the blazing fast read speed of up to 120 MB ensures smooth operation and quick data transfers. With storage options ranging from 32 GB up to a staggering 1 TB, this microSD card is perfect for users who want the flexibility to store thousands of high-resolution images or hours of full HD video without having to constantly manage storage space. Its A1-rated performance makes it more than just a storage device. It improves your mobile experience by launching apps faster and supporting smoother performance across the board. Engineered to endure harsh conditions, this card is waterproof, shockproof, temperature-proof, magnet-proof, and X-ray-proof, making it a resilient choice for everyday adventures or long-term backup. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or capturing life's unpredictable moments, it's built to survive life's surprises. Its compatibility with the MobileMate USB 3.0 reader adds an extra layer of convenience, letting you quickly move files between devices without slowing down. Perfect for capturing full HD video directly from the card or running multimedia apps on the go, this card is more than just memory. It's a digital enabler for everything you do. From entertainment to productivity, from photography to app performance, it's designed to support your digital life with speed, reliability, and ease of use. Seamless storage performance, effortless file handling, and robust durability come together in this feature-rich microSD solution that never misses a beat. Number 3. Kodak SD Memory Card. When performance, capacity, and dependability matter, this microSD card delivers on all fronts, providing an ideal balance for content creators, mobile users, and tech enthusiasts. Designed to meet modern digital demands, it offers lightning-fast data transfer speeds with a UHSU3 interface, reaching up to 100 MB/s. Whether you're shooting high-resolution photos, capturing 4K video, or running demanding apps, the speed and stability of this memory card ensure that you experience fewer delays, smoother operations, and more reliable file transfers across the board. With options ranging from 32 GB to a generous 512 GB, this card easily handles massive media libraries, lengthy video footage, and multitasking app data without performance degradation. The V30 video speed class means it supports a minimum sustained write speed of 30 MBs, making it suitable for professional-grade video recording in formats such as Full HD and even some 4K applications. This is especially useful for vloggers, action cam users, drone operators, and smartphone videographers who require flawless video capture without dropped frames or buffering. The inclusion of Application Performance Class A1 enhances its value beyond storage. This classification allows mobile apps to load and run more smoothly when installed directly onto the card, perfect for expanding the functional memory of Android devices. Multitasking becomes more fluid, with quicker app launches and faster background processes, making the user experience seamless and enjoyable. In addition to its impressive technical specs, this card is FCC certified, giving users peace of mind that it meets essential standards for safety and electromagnetic compliance. Built for users who need high speed, high capacity, and high efficiency storage in a compact format, it excels in both everyday and professional environments. Robust in speed, expansive in capacity, and optimized for real-world performance, this microSD card is ready to elevate your device's storage game to the next level. Number 2. Lexar SD Memory Card. Meeting the evolving needs of today's digital users, this high-performance microSD card provides a reliable and fast solution for everything from mobile photography to UAV data storage. Engineered by a globally trusted brand, it offers exceptional read and write speeds under the UHS IU3 standard and Class 10 rating, making it an ideal companion for smartphones, tablets, dash cams, drones, smart devices, and more. With capacity options ranging from 32 GB to a substantial 512 GB, it gives users the flexibility to choose the right size for casual use or heavy-duty content creation. Designed for high-speed data handling, it excels in read/write performance, whether you're capturing bursts of high-resolution images, recording HD video, or transferring large files between devices. The inclusion of Application Performance Class A1 ensures that this card doesn't just store apps, it enhances them. Users can enjoy smoother launches, more responsive multitasking, and quicker in-app navigation, even when storage space is stretched to its limit. One of the key strengths lies in its versatility. It's compatible with a broad range of devices including mobile phones, notebooks, cameras, digital speakers, security systems, and even industrial tools like robots and UAVs. This wide compatibility ensures that no matter what ecosystem you're working in, the card adapts seamlessly to deliver reliable performance. Despite the absence of a formal video speed class rating like V30 or 60, its U3 certification still provides confidence in its ability to handle full HD and even some 4K video capture tasks effectively. With its origin in Taiwan and backed by CE certification, this microSD card meets international standards of quality and safety. Packaged and ready for plug-and-play use, it fits neatly into the digital workflows of both professionals and everyday users looking for dependable, long-lasting storage. Built for speed, designed for multitasking, and engineered for universal compatibility, this card is a go-to choice for anyone who demands more from their storage. Number 1. Samsung EVO Plus SD Memory Card. Whether you're shooting epic 4K UHD footage from a drone, storing high-resolution photos on your phone, or running apps directly from a microSD card, this memory solution offers the perfect blend of speed, durability, and massive storage capacity. Crafted for creators, professionals, and everyday users alike, it delivers the performance you need to capture and preserve life's most important moments no matter where or how you live them. With options ranging from 32 GB up to a substantial 512 GB, there's a storage tier to suit everything from simple media sharing to heavy-duty video projects. The card's UHS-1 interface allows for high-speed read and write performance, supporting quick file transfers and smooth 4K UHD video recording for compatible sizes starting at 128 GB and above. Whether you're filming from a drone in the sky or recording time-lapse footage with a camera, the speed and stability ensure minimal lag and maximum clarity. It's engineered to handle the demands of surveillance devices, dash cams, and action cams, offering extended endurance so your data remains secure and reliable even during long, continuous use. Built to withstand life's unexpected challenges, this card offers protection against water, extreme temperatures, X-rays, and magnetic fields. Its rugged design makes it ideal for use in outdoor conditions, high-motion environments, or security setups where failure isn't an option. The included SD adapter broadens its versatility, allowing use across nearly any device with a standard SD card slot: phones, tablets, drones, DSLRs, and more. For users seeking a powerful combination of performance and protection, this card goes beyond just storing data, it safeguards it. With Samsung's trusted quality and reputation, it delivers the confidence and capacity to tackle all your multimedia projects with ease. Thanks for watching our top picks for SD memory cards on AliExpress. All product links are in the description, so you can compare prices and reviews before you buy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tech and gadget reviews. Store smart, and we'll see you in the next one.